Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Life is a race. अगर तेज नहीं भागोगे तो कोई और आगे निकल जाएगा. Once my wife gave the clap. I'd love to know where you heard. Who am I asking? I'm asking a journalist very quickly. Please don't ignore that, okay? लंबा आंसर दिया, लेकिन I think ये नहीं सुनना. You're gonna get me into trouble because of this. Don't mind me. Hi Nikita, how are you?
Very well. Has it been challenging? It's been more than I think 80 days that we've been inside our homes. How's that working for you?
How's it working for you, Nikita? Actually, why should I be singled out? Everybody's going through the lockdown. There are no exceptions. It's just fine for people who are privileged, and that means with a house over your head and have 2.5 square meals a day. I think the lockdown is just fine. There is no other way to put it, no matter what you're going through, and there's a lot happening for a lot of people.
If you can pick out that one character that you initially thought you wouldn't want to do, or you suggested someone else's name.
The character in Munna MBBS, Dr. Asthana, and when you look at very closely at Virus, they seem to be the same character. They're both heads of a college and institution. They're both teachers. They both have daughters. They have a run-in with a rowdy or a disruptive element. The daughter is in love with that rowdy and disruptive element, and they've got some very old ideas of how to run things. They're the same guy. And I was really scared to do the same guy because I'm doing it with the same filmmaker. And at that point of time, I remember I was saying, nahi hoga mere se, nahi hoga. Not because I think it was not a role that maybe I couldn't take a bite off. But I remember telling Raju, I said, why don't you take Irfan, why don't you take Irfan? I never forget this. And he said, just now, we'll see. But what were his wants and needs of life? Once I cracked that, I think then I said, let's do it.
What is that one character that was the most rewarding?
Khosla ka Ghosla. And I think it's extremely rewarding in every sense of the way. It gave us a wonderful director. Divakar was great to work with. Anupam Saab. And I thought that was a character that I played, which is very different from who I am culturally also. I'm not like any of the characters. For God's sake, I'm not like Virus. For God's sake, I'm not like Asthana. But culturally, so very different that he spoke in a different tone. He came from a different milieu. He came from a different city. That's the first time I played a character that lived outside of Mumbai city. So it was very rewarding, the response, because suddenly that became the runaway hit. And the other one was Shyam Benegal's Well Done Allah. It was lovely to be a father to the lovely Misha Lamba. Of course, I've had Dia as my daughter before that. But I really love that character very much.
One character that had dialogues which were most requested wherever you went. मतलब वो होता है ना कि sir please एक dialogue बोल दो उसका.
I don't know for the life of me why this one and only one dialogue is requested wherever I go. But I don't understand why people love that dialogue so much. I go to any kid.
I think I know what you're talking about. If
you can tell me, if you can give me the answer.
Life is a race. It's like a broken anda.
Life is a race. अगर तेज नहीं भागोगे तो कोई और आगे निकल जाएगा. And you will be like a broken anda. And people find it so not just hilarious, it touches them somewhere for some reason. I don't know what it is.
You've started this new property, Spiral Bound. You're taking workshops, holding sessions, talking about world cinema, screenwriting. Tell us something about its inception. It seems to be a great idea where you're involving so many, not just budding, screenwriters, but so many people from the industry. How did that come into being?
So once I went to America and met this playwright who had written just one film. I met him and I told him my story. He said, I love your story, and if you need any help, you can just send me pages and I'll help you through the journey. And he told me, so he didn't know that I had made him my guru. He became my guru. He didn't know. I'm just telling. I'm making it light. Um, but when I did go back to America and say, teach me, yet make me your student. And he said, I'm very hard on myself, so I will also be a little hard on you. I said, great. Where was I going to get that at this stage in my career and at this age? Who's going to tell me I'm going to be hard on you? Somebody who really means business, and he really has earned the title of Guru. He became closer to me. He became my friend, and we are now the closest friends. And when I started my company, Irani Movie Tone, instead of throwing a party, I flew him down and made him do a workshop for 280, 290 professional writers and directors. There were 2 or 3 young writers who used to come to me with their problems. And I used to help them, sometimes over the phone, sometimes they used to come over here. So I said, let's do it on this thing called Zoom, like I had discovered Zoom. People come every day like they're attending class. And we sit and we discuss and we become friends. We know each other very well. But there's really some real hardcore education happening over there.
Do you feel there are critics right there in your family, and that sort of helps you push harder?
That's such a wonderful thing you said. That, I think it is the worst thing in the world is to have the people around you who will not tell you the truth. The best thing in the world is to have people around you who will tell you the truth, but tell you nicely. Because for whatever it's worth, artists are sensitive people. And they put their soul, they bear themselves, they bear part of themselves on the screen. They're kind of emotionally naked. When you have to cry in front of 150 people, and you're crying, and then suddenly when the cut, and then you feel a little stupid that people are just staring at you. It's a very difficult thing to do. Even cracking a joke on set or a comedic shot, and you turn on and nobody's laughing because there's no audience, unlike theater. It's a very odd place to crack a joke and say, is that working? We'll only come to know when it's released. So there is a certain amount of sensitivity. So if the people around you, especially say your wife or your kids who say, was that good? It's good you've done. Yeah, it was good, but you could do better. That's all you need to know. You don't need, what was that nonsense? ये नहीं सुनना. You could do better. हम समझ गए. उतने में मैं समझ गया that it wasn't as good as it's supposed to be, or what it should have been.
Another film that you had worked, which is again due for release, is 83, and such films come once in decades, and I think the hopes are so high with this film because I think that moment also is very close to us. I think entertainment and cricket are 2 things which Indians take personally.
Man, the first time I saw a couple of scenes and Kabir is sitting next to me in the dark and said, so what do you think? Did you make your notes? I took a pencil and a paper and I was about to start making notes, And Kabir turns on and I say, you made no notes? He said, no, because I forgot. I said, why? I said, because I was choked up with emotion. I was choked up with nostalgia, and I was choked up with pride. It was so beautiful. Everybody's going to be nostalgically, happily tearful.